Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove all those third-party connections in a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Make sure you're logged into the Google account. Next, click on your profile icon. Now, click on Manage Google Account. Select Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down until you see a section Apps and Services. Under Apps and Services, tap on Third-Party Apps and Services. Here you'll see all the apps, websites, and services connected to your Google account. Click on any item you don't trust or don't use anymore, then click Delete all the connections you have with this apps. Then, click on Confirm to complete the process. Once you're done, your Google account will only stay connected to the apps you use and trust. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.